Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is Python. Introduction to Python. What is Python? Okay. So friends, I have already started C programming. Now I think that I have to explain Python in theoretically and practical sessions will start for few months. I start practical because you can learn everything in practically in computer language, but if you download Python or C turbo C++, you can check my work because you can check my writing, then I hope that your program will execute. Okay, so my target is at first we learn what Python, what theoretical computer language. So what is Python and full explanations? Python is a general purpose dynamically typed language. Okay, dynamically typed language, type level language, and developed by Guido von Rossum in 1991 CWI in Netherlands. Okay, so why name Python? Okay, Guido von Rossum was a fan of the popular comedy show, mostly Python's Flying Circus, broadcasted by BBC. So he decided to named his language as Python. Features by Python: simple and easy to learn. Okay, simple and easy to learn. It is most simple. It is simple. C is tough, but it is not so much tough. So simple, anyone can learn, and freeware and open sources, platform independent, rich library, portable, embedded, extensible, and interpreted. Because it is also interpreted if you have made any syntax error, then Python already told interpretations already told you that there is an arrow, so interpret it. Next, application of Python: web development, game development, IoT programming, machine learning, artificial intelligence, database programming, network programming. Limitation of Python: mobile applications, performance is not up to the mark. And what is data type and full explanation? Data type represents the different kinds of values that we stored on the variable and don't need to specify the data type explicitly based on values types allocated automatically. Python is dynamically typed language. Must remember this is very important. Dynamically typed language is Python. Now friends, I have to discuss that when you will go the program. So what is the Python? At first you have to install the Python and download and install now. Then you just use cmd, then you can get Python, and this is this way. If you write print অঙ্কিত, the print probal probal, this is the, here you can write semicolon. It is not mandatory, you may or may not write semicolon. Okay, semicolon is not print, you just used print. Okay, suppose you do not, suppose you write this way, suppose you write pre, then you get syntax print probal. Then Python indicated you, then it is syntax error. Python indicated it is syntax error, so it is your code is print. Okay, so you have to remember this portion. Application of Python, I have already discussed that application of Python. Okay, I have to discuss web development, game development, IoT development, machine development, AI and database based programming, means artificial intelligence, database programming, network programming. And limitation of Python is mobile application. You cannot do mobile application in Python. Performance is not up to the mark. So I think that you can understand how important is Python. Without Python you cannot understand, you cannot go to the technology, you cannot understand technology. So it is helpful for growing up your technological knowledge. Now, data. What is data type and full explanations? Okay, I have already told that Python is dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed language. So type language. And what is variable? Variable is the name of memory location where we can store different types of values. Okay, this is the variable definition and type definitions. The data type represents. Okay, now I want to say the data type are data type, right? Data type. So first is numbers. Okay, I write in here number. First is number. String. Number three, dict. Set. 5 is list. 6 is tuple. This is the data type. Okay, so now I need to explain that int. Okay, Python is dynamically typed language, means when we are in C, that suppose a equals to, I write 10. Okay, so I don't need write to int. Okay, I don't need write to int. If I in C program or Java, C++, you can see that others programming we used int. It is not mandatory in Python. In Python you can write a plus b, directly input a is equal to 10 is equal to, directly they show 30. If I can write b is equal to 20, so output a plus b, output already Python show. So it is very easier than others language. What is list? What is list and full explanation? List is data structure which is also called collection of items in which we can store anything like string, float, integer etc. We write the item of list inside square bracket. In each item is separated by column. Duplicate are allowed, mutable in nature, live practical, create empty square bracket. Okay, another factor is list name syntax. When we are going to the syntax, then list name equals to third bracket item 1, item 2. This is this way I can write. This is the collection. Mutable in nature. Live practical is create empty set list with some values, indexing and slicing, count list items, append, pop, insert, nested list, and list comprehend, copy, and length of list. So it is the total live practical. I hope I can I give some ideas on Python application, Python program, and I will continue C, Python, Java, and C++. My target to teach total 4 languages: C, C++, Java, and Python. So I have already started C and Python and Java, and also C++ will also create, because we have to be master in coding. We have to work hard in this area. Thanks for watching.